Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 7 of my Tag-A-Day November. So let's get to it. For today's tag, I used this stamp set from Whimsy Stamps called Hugs Bunny. Use that bear and bunny. So adorable and sweet. I used the calico paper also from Whimsy. I just love the floral designs in this paper pack. And I used the Sunny Studio mini mat and tag. I used the 1 and 2 for today's tag. And there it is. I mean, doesn't that just look so cute? That bear and that bunny giving each other a hug. Just put some cardstock on the back. Some more ribbon that I love. I think I got this, I don't even know how many years ago, from Close to My Heart. I bought every color and again, haven't used it, so it's fun to get it out and use it. I know it's a little bit busier pattern behind them, but thought it turned out really, really cute. So there is day 7 for my Tag-A-Day November. I will be back in just a little bit for a not too shabby hop. That is always fun and exciting and very inspiring. I know that all the other designers will share some fabulous creations, so make sure you come back for that. And until tomorrow, I hope you go do something crafty, maybe go make a tag. Thanks for stopping by and have a wonderful day.